Maximize your mojo. Biohair MD Eyebrow Transplant. Our doctors are making $480,000 per year with just 2 small eyebrow procedures a week. Want to see if you qualify to be a part of the very latest Hollywood trend that is taking the country by storm? Step 1. Meet with one of our representatives for a complimentary chat. Step 2. If your practice qualifies, learn all about eyebrow restoration. Step 3. Become a brow master and you start on a journey of earning $480,000 a year extra. Go to myhairmeeting.com now and let's answer your questions. Biohair MD. Maximize your mojo.